Hey y'all, my name is Leah, or you guys can call me Baby Scorpio, and welcome to this gentle session to ease cramps, release tension, and support emotional grounding. We're going to start off in easy pose, so sit in a cross-legged position with your hands on your belly or on your heart. We're going to inhale deeply through our nose and expanding our belly, and exhaling fully out of our mouth, letting go of all that tension. As you continue to deep breathe, I want you to focus on the sensation of your breath. And we're going to hold this pose for 1 minute. We're going to take one last deep breath before we transition. So inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. We're going to transition into cat and cow pose. So on all fours, we're going to inhale, arching our spine and lifting our chest into cow pose. And we're going to exhale as we round our spine and put our chin to chest into cat pose. As we synchronize our breath and our movement, I want you to go as slow as you need to. Lastly, before we transition, I want you to take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, releasing all that tension that's in your womb. We're going to transition into child's pose. So on all fours with your knees wide and your big toes touching, rest your forehead on a stack of pillows or on your mat, whatever is comfortable for you. Bring your arms forward or keep them by your side. But either way, we're going to take a deep breath in into our lower back and belly, and we're going to exhale out. As your body is transitioning into the best version of you, I want you to remember that you are loved, grounded, healed, and protected. And we're going to take one more big deep breath before we transition. So inhale in and exhale out. We're going to transition into reclining bound angle. So lie on your back with the soles of your feet together and allow your knees to fall open. If you would like, you can support your knees by putting a cushion under them, but either way, we're going to rest one hand on our heart and the other on our womb space. At this time, I want you to affirm positive affirmations that you need to hear, or you can affirm this affirmation. I subconsciously believe that my body is healing and every part of my body is working in my highest favor. And we're going to take one last deep breath before we transition into the next pose. So inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. We're going to transition into Supine Twist. So we're going to hug our knees in and then drop both of them onto one side. We're going to open our arms into a T and we're going to gaze in the opposite direction of our legs. Remember to deep breathe as you release all this tension in the body. Before we transition to the other side, I want you to take one more deep breath on this side. So inhale in and exhale out. And we're going to switch sides. Remember to deep breathe as you ground your energy and release all the negativity that's in the mind, body, and soul. You are worthy of this release, so forgive yourself for holding on to any energy that is keeping you stagnant and be open to embracing this change. Take one more deep breath before we transition into the next pose. So inhale in and exhale out. We're going to transition into legs up on the wall pose. So scoot your hips to the wall, lifting up your legs and resting your back. If needed, you can modify this pose by bending your knees and resting them on a chair. At this time, I want you to close your eyes, allowing full relaxation in the body. Remember to inhale deeply into your belly and exhale fully out. Last inhale before we transition into Savasana. So inhale in and exhale out. We're going to transition into Savasana. So lie flat on your back with your palms facing up. And I want you to inhale in and exhale out. At this time, I want you to softly whisper to yourself or even think this affirmation. I am subconsciously in tune with my body, and I give myself permission to slow down. If you feel more comfortable putting your hands on your heart and your womb, feel free to do that at this time. At this time, I want you to thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. Namaste, and see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.